Welcome to Infraconsoft Inventory and Vehicle Management System. To log in, type the username and password, and then select your branch. The vehicle management software is designed to efficiently manage a company's fleet of vehicles. It is divided into three key modules. Vehicle Master handles vehicle registration and classification. Vehicle Transaction manages vehicle-related operations, including field tracking, maintenance, and expenses. Vehicle Reports provides detailed reports on vehicle data, maintenance, transactions, and performance metrics. In the Vehicle Master module, the first feature is Own Vehicle Registration. Own Vehicle Registration feature in the Vehicle Master module. This feature helps register and track company-owned vehicles efficiently. Key features. With the Own Vehicle Registration, you can add a new vehicle to the system, edit existing vehicle details, view registered vehicle information, delete a vehicle entry when no longer needed, adding a new vehicle. Click the Add New Vehicle button. Enter the required vehicle details. Vehicle code, unique identifier for the vehicle. Vehicle name, name or model of the vehicle. Vehicle number, official registration number. Vehicle type, select the category, example, truck, car, bus. Branch, assigned to a specific branch. Registration date, date of registration. Insurance expiry date, last valid date of the insurance. FC expiry date, fitness certificate expiry date. Permit expiry date, validity of the permit. Tax expiry date, tax payment due date. Click Save to store the vehicle details. Viewing and editing a vehicle. In the vehicle list, search or select the vehicle. Click the Edit button to modify details. Update the required fields. Click Save to apply changes. Deleting a vehicle entry. In the vehicle list, locate the vehicle to delete. Click the Delete button. Confirm the deletion to remove the vehicle from the system. Vehicle Type Master. The Vehicle Type Master feature is designed to manage and categorize different vehicle types for both hired and owned vehicles. Key functionalities. Add new vehicle types. Edit existing vehicle types. Delete vehicle types when no longer needed. Maintain a structured list of vehicle categories. Example, truck, bus, van, car, two-wheeler, etc. How to use Vehicle Type Master. Adding a new vehicle type. Click on Add New. Enter the vehicle type name. Example, sedan, SUV, bus. Click Save to update the list. Editing a vehicle type. Select an existing vehicle type from the list. Click Edit, Update Details, and Save. Deleting a vehicle type. Locate the vehicle type and click Delete. Confirm the deletion to remove it permanently. After that, then the next feature is Vehicle Type Maintenance. The Vehicle Type Maintenance feature helps you categorize and track different vehicle types and their subassemblies within the system. How to use Vehicle Type Maintenance. Searching for a vehicle type. Use the search bar to find a specific vehicle type. Adding a new vehicle category. Click Add New. Enter the vehicle type name and other details. Click Save to store the information. Editing an existing vehicle type. Click Edit, Update Details, and save the changes. Viewing vehicle details. To view the details, click on any vehicle type to view detailed specifications and subassemblies. You can add subassemblies info here. Deleting a vehicle category. Click Delete and confirm removal. And then, Vehicle TDS %. The Vehicle TDS % feature helps in managing tax deducted at source, TDS, for hired vehicles. It ensures compliance with tax regulations while maintaining accurate financial records. How to use Vehicle TDS %. Viewing and editing TDS rates. The list displays existing TDS percentages and effective dates. Click Edit, update the rate or date, and save. Vehicle diesel rate. The vehicle diesel rate feature helps track and manage diesel prices for vehicles over time, enabling better financial planning and cost analysis. Key functionalities. View historical and current diesel rates. Add, edit, or delete diesel rate entries. Compare price fluctuations over time. Search specific diesel rate records. How to use vehicle diesel rate. Viewing diesel rate history. The table displays past and current diesel prices. Adding or editing a diesel rate. Click Add New, enter date, rate, and remarks and save. To modify an existing entry, click Edit, update details, and save. Deleting an entry. Locate the diesel rate record and click Delete to remove it. Comparing diesel rates. Use the search or filter options to track price fluctuations over time. Hire vehicle registration. The Hire Vehicle Registration feature manages and tracks rented or leased vehicles, ensuring efficient operations across different branches. Key functionalities. Filter vehicles by branch. Search and view vehicle records. Manage details like vehicle numbers, types, rental companies. Edit, update, and delete entries. How to use Hire Vehicle Registration. Filtering vehicles by branch. Select a branch to view its assigned hired vehicles. Searching and viewing records. Use the search bar to find a vehicle by number, type, or rental company. Adding a new hire vehicle. Click Add New, enter details, example, vehicle type, rental company, hire start and end dates, and save. Editing and updating entries. Select a vehicle, click Edit, modify details, and save. Deleting a hire vehicle record. Locate the vehicle and click Delete. Location Master. The Location Master feature helps manage and organize branch and sub-branch locations within the system, ensuring accurate and accessible location data. Key functionalities. Search, view, edit, and delete branch locations. Filter locations based on branches. Add and manage sub-branches. Ensure accurate location data for operations. How to use Location Master. Searching for a location. Use the search bar to quickly find a branch or sub-branch. Adding a new location. Click Add New, enter branch name, sub-branch name, and location details, then save. Editing an existing location. Click Edit, modify details, and save changes. Deleting a location. Locate the branch or sub-branch and click Delete to remove it. Hire vehicle spare deduction percent. The spare deduction percent feature tracks spare part deduction percentages for hired vehicles, helping with budgeting and maintenance cost tracking. Key functionalities. View and track spare deduction percentages. Register new deduction rates with an effective date. Modify existing deduction rates. Delete outdated entries. How to use spare deduction percent. Viewing spare deduction history. The list shows current and past deduction percentages. Adding a new deduction percentage. Click Add New, enter effective date and deduction percentage, then save. Editing a deduction percentage. Click Edit, update the percentage, and save. Deleting an entry. Select an outdated deduction record and click Delete. Equipment Master. The Equipment Master feature organizes and manages a list of vehicle equipment types, ensuring efficient equipment tracking. Key functionalities. Add, edit, and delete vehicle equipment. Categorize equipment based on vehicle type. Search for specific equipment types. How to use Equipment Master. Searching for equipment. Use the search bar to locate a specific equipment type. Adding new equipment. Click Add New, enter equipment name, vehicle type, and details, then save. Editing equipment information. Select an equipment entry, update the details, and save. Deleting equipment. Click Delete to remove outdated equipment. Tire details. The Tire Details module helps track and manage tire information for fleet vehicles, ensuring safety and performance. How to use tire details. Viewing tire records. The list displays tire details like tire code, model, price, and type. Adding a new tire record. Click Add New. Enter details like model, make, position, purchase source, date, and amount, then save. Editing a tire record. Click Edit, update tire details, and save. Deleting a tire record. Click Delete to remove an outdated tire entry. Battery card. The battery card module helps track battery information for vehicles like JCBs and dump trucks, ensuring proper battery maintenance and replacements. Key functionalities. Store and manage battery details. Search battery records by code or type. Update or remove old battery entries. How to use battery card. Searching for battery records. Use the search bar to find a battery by code, type, or brand. Adding a new battery record. Click Add New. Enter details like battery code, type, brand, expected lifespan, and purchase source, then save. Editing a battery record. Select a battery record, update its details, and save. Deleting a battery record. Click Delete to remove an old or unused battery entry.